Alright, here we are in chilly Minneapolis with Luke and his Knex skates. Luke, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good. I've been on these skates once before. I didn't fall. I did break them a little bit.
Are you gonna fall today?
No, I don't think I am gonna fall, Isaac.
We'll see.
I'm gonna do just fine.
What's this jump rope you have over there?
That kind of was the problem on their maiden voyage. I couldn't really roll very far, so today I have a volunteer to pull me around via jump rope and hopefully have a more successful time. Alright, so that one's on. Check it out.
There we go.
It's stuck on there pretty good. I got this nice little chain hooking it up. Alright, and safety first. Gotta wear a helmet. Stand up here and prove that they work. Woo!
Ooh.
As you can see, they kind of roll.
They do roll.
They like to stand on one foot without them breaking, so that's pretty good. They roll pretty easily, but just not when you're trying to also propel yourself.
Alright. You're walking.
I'm walking, and things are kind of rolling around slightly.
Ooh.
There you go. It's kind of like a penny board, maybe.
What?
Alright, here we go.
On one skate.
So this makes me think I might just be bad at skating. Alright, so we had a little accident. Slightly. Things are starting to come undone a little bit. Specifically right here. There's this little piece. It came out, and that was actually quite bad. And this piece also came off, and everything kind of spread out to a large extent. But for the most part, things are like intact.
Alright, we have a break.
Oh no.
It's Luke.
Though I am on the ground, I did not fall. Okay. Gotta take this guy off. So this would actually explain why we stopped just a second ago. Thought it was like not a big thing, but actually the axle broke, which is a big thing. But I have entrusted Isaac with two things.
What are they?
The filming and carrying the extra axles for when they break. You got them?
So many.
You got a lot. I got some advice.
You want one? Two?
Actually, let's try one of those gray tan ones. I was told these tan ones, I think, are like stronger. They have like some kind of reinforcement inside.
Why are you using the green one?
Well, I only have like two of these, I think. I don't really know what's up with these. Maybe I shouldn't even do this because it's just gonna break and I'll be sad without them. But whatever. I've not need a lot of strength and things previously.
Is this your first Knex invention that has broken some Knex pieces?
Yes. Wow. The wheels are also suffering. In here, you can see they're all kind of gashed up. I think this is probably because Knex are bad axles. Like, why? Oh my god, this one's really gashed up. Whoa. Well, I've been cruel to my Knex today, but it has been kind of fun.
I shot for history.
But it's a great Minutemen song. Do you want the new wave or do you want the truth?
Which do you want?
I want the truth, obviously.
Okay.
Come on, Isaac. All right, here we go. All right, well, thank you, Isaac, for helping me out.
No problem. How'd it feel out there?
You know, it was a little bit scary when we were going fast.
Okay. Well,
I don't have a lot of control, but I feel like I did get a little bit better. Like I was moving my feet normally. That was good. How did you feel about the whole process here, Isaac?
It was good. I didn't like. I let go at one point. That was scary.
Yeah. I didn't fall though. That was good.
You did not fall.
Even when you let go.
There were a lot of cracks out here. I think that hindered us more than maybe I expected.
Yeah.
You go down the hill.
That would be terrifying.
Are you going to wear these for fun?
No.
Ooh. Woo.
Woo. Jump roping is a lot of work.